Menta ka janmet u menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad K Sangma. Ulalit ngawlem hayeng ki bahayeng u Archbishop u Most Reverend Dominic Jala hamaulai put meri Shillong. U Archbishop u Most Reverend Dominic Jala ulaklat kendit hak shipautre grisau. Hak jingjai to ko kali ha Amerika. Hakane ke jinglit ngawlem u Konrad ulai kendo iki bahayeng asem jung Archbishop bat ki beej bathon. Layatu bakamet jung Archbishop kon wan poi hak sngi palai ne sngi tho deng ha Shillong.
About the entire accident. Of course, he knew about it. And the Indian consulate out there and the Consulate General, Mr. Sanjay Panda, has assured us of all the help that is required. The process takes about 2-3 days time, sometimes 4 days maximum. And all the other logistical supports, including transportation through the Air India services, will also be is also been organized, and our entire Meghalaya House team in Delhi is ready and on standby to ensure that all facilitation is given to ensure that his remains are brought back to Shillong, and so that we can all pay our last respects to him.